Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So we have started chapter 1 linear equations in two variables of algebra. We have completed 4 practice set, that is practice set 1.1 up to practice set 1.4. You can check in previous lectures. Now here we will start practice set 1.5. We have to solve word problems. Problems means application of simultaneous equations. In these questions, you have to first read the question carefully, understand the question. You have to identify unknown quantities, means we have to assume it with any variable x, y, z or a, b, p, q. We can assume it by any of the variable by your own choice. You have to concentrate on each of the phrase in a sentence, and then you will get the correct answer. Now we will solve this first example, then you will get the idea about how to solve word problems. So what is the first question? Two numbers differ by 3. Now here differ. This word means difference. I will write this in one box. Now see, differ means what? Difference. Difference means minus. This is our first phrase. Two numbers differ by 3. Means there are two numbers. Which numbers? The difference of that numbers is 3. Next, the sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number. Now here there are two numbers. One is smaller number and other is greater number. Now what do you mean by twice and thrice? Now see. Twice means 2 times 2x. Thrice means 3x. Right? 3x means 3 times. Now see. They have given two numbers differ by 3. Now one is a smaller number and other is a greater number. Where the sum of twice the smaller number, 2 times of a smaller number, and thrice the greater number means 3 times of a greater number. So the sum of this is 19, and we have to find the numbers. First of all, what to assume and how to assume. The numbers or any of the value you have to find. You have to assume that value with any of the variable. Now see here, we have to find the numbers. How many numbers are there here? Two numbers, one is smaller number and other is greater number. So we have to assume this smaller number and greater number by any of the variable. Let the smaller number be x and greater number be y. See, we have assumed x for a smaller number and y for a greater number. Now we will solve one by one sentence. What is the first phrase? Two numbers differ by 3. So two numbers, what are two numbers? X and y, right? X is a smaller number, y is a greater number. So if two numbers differ by 3, of course we know that always subtract smaller number from a greater number, right? So here what will be the equation? Greater number minus smaller number. So it is a first condition. So we will write here from the first condition. What is our first condition? We have to make a difference between two numbers. But we know that we can subtract smaller number from a greater number. So what is greater number here? Y. And what is smaller number here? X. So y minus x is equal to what is number given here? 3. This is our equation 1. Understood? Now next, what is the second condition? We will write here now from the second condition. Now first of all, we know that twice the smaller number. See. What is twice the smaller number means? What is the smaller number? X. So twice of x, 2x. And tell me what is thrice the greater number? Greater number is y. So thrice the greater number means 3y. Right? Next, what is the condition? The sum. Now see here. Sum means what? Add. Plus. So sum. Addition of what? Twice the smaller number. Where is twice the smaller number? 2x. So 2x plus, because it is a sum. Sum means add. And with what? Thrice the greater number. So what is thrice the greater number? 3y. So 2x plus 3y is equal to, and what is the sum between them? 19. This is our equation number 2. And can I take x here and y here? But x has a minus sign. So minus x plus y is equal to 3. This is our equation 1, right? Understood? Why we are taking this? Because we want x below x and y below y. Same variable below. Now here we got the two equations. So we will solve this simultaneously. So what can we do here? The coefficient of both of the variables are not same. So we have to make one of the coefficient equal. So let us multiply equation 1 by 2. Let us multiply equation 1 by 2. But why we have multiplied this by 2? Because here is 2x. To make here 2x, we have to multiply it by 2. 2 into 1, we get 2. So 2 into x, 2x, but it is minus x. So minus 2x plus 2 into y, 2y is equal to 2 into 3, 6. This is our new equation number 3. Now we will solve this second and third equation and we will get the answer. Adding equation 3 and 2 and 3. So what is second equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to 19 plus minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 6. 19 plus 6, 25. 3y plus 2y we get 5y, and plus 2x minus 2x directly gets cancelled. So y is equal to 25. This 5 here it will go in division form. 5 ones are and 5 fives are 25. To 5 we get the value of y. Now to find the value of x, we have to substitute this y in any of the equation, right? So put y is equal to 5 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? Minus x plus y is equal to 3. So we have, what is the value of y? 5. So minus x plus 5 is equal to 3. So we want to find the value of x. We will take this 5 this side. Minus x is equal to 3 plus 5 here it goes minus 5. Minus x is equal to 3 minus 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Greater number sign minus. So minus 2. This minus both sides gets cancelled. So value of x is 2. We got the answers. The required numbers are 2 and 5. Therefore, required numbers are 2 and 5. Everyone understood? You can ask any doubt if you want. Now see, we will start question number 2. What they have given, complete the following. And one more thing, the meanings here were not visible, so I have written that side so you can see it. Here they have given one rectangle. I am a rectangle, means this is a rectangle. So these are sides of a rectangle. So we have to find the values of x and y in it, and then you have to find my perimeter and my area means what? What they have given rectangle, that means we have to find area of rectangle and perimeter of a rectangle. First of all, what do you know about rectangle? What are the properties of rectangle? We know that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, right? See, we know that opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal. That means this side and this side is equal. And x plus 4 is also equal, right? We know that length of the lengths and both of the breadths of a rectangle are equal. So simply we can write 2x plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y, right? See, 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y. Why we have written this? Because we know opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. We will solve this to get one of the linear equation. Now, if we take both of these here, so here is 2x and this 4x, it will goes here in minus form, minus 4x plus y is as it is. This minus y, here it will go plus y. We will shift this 8 this side. So is equal to minus 8 to get the equation. Now 2x minus 4x, what is the answer? Plus minus minus. 4 minus 2, 2x. Greater number sign is negative, so minus 2x plus y plus y is 2y is equal to minus 8. Now tell me what is common here? 2 is common, so we will take 2 common. So what is remaining? Minus x plus y is equal to minus 8. It is in the multiplication form, so here it will go in division form. Minus x plus y is equal to minus 8 upon 2. 2 1s are and 2 4s are 8. So minus x plus y is equal to minus 4 is our equation number 1. And these are the opposite sides. So also we can write 2y is equal to x plus 4, right? 2y is equal to x plus 4. So write this in a linear equation form, right? So this x we will take this side. So here it is plus x. Here it will go minus x. So minus x, this 2y as it is. It has a sign of positive, nothing but the positive. Plus 2y is equal to 4. This is our equation number. Now we will solve equation 1 and equation number 2 simultaneously to get the values of x and y. Now coefficient of x here and coefficient of x here is equal, but both are negative. So if we do addition, so minus minus will become plus. So we have to subtract it, right? So subtract equation subtracting equation number 1 from 2. What is equation number 2? Minus x plus 2y is equal to 4 minus x plus y is equal to minus 4. Why we are performing subtraction here? Understood everyone? If we perform addition here, then minus minus will become plus, and here we will get 2x. This will not eliminate. To eliminate these things, we have to perform subtraction. So minus minus here will become plus, minus plus minus, and minus minus plus. Understood? So 4 plus 4 is 8. 2y minus y. Minus x plus x gets cancelled. Understood everyone? So y is equal to 8. With the help of y we can find the value of x. How to find the value of x? Put y is equal to 8 in equation number 1. So minus x plus y is equal to minus 4. minus x plus what is the value of y? 8 is equal to minus 4. Minus x is equal to minus 4. This plus 8, there it will go minus 8. Now here minus minus plus 8 plus 4, 12. Greater number sign, negative. So minus 12. This minus minus gets cancelled. So what is the value of x? X is 12. We have got the values of x and y. So we have completed up to this step. Now what is the last step? Find the area and perimeter. Now to find the area and perimeter of a rectangle, we must know the formula. Area of rectangle is length into breadth and perimeter of rectangle is 2 in bracket L plus B, length plus breadth. Now to find this area and perimeter, first of all we must know the length and breadth of the rectangle. We know that this and this is a length and this side, these both sides are a breadth. What is length? So length of a rectangle here is, take any one of the length because both are equal. So we will take smaller one, right? So 4x minus y, this is the length of a rectangle. We know values of x and y, we will put these values and we will find the length of a rectangle. So 4 into what is x? 12 minus y, 8. So 4 into 12, what is the answer? 48 minus 8. So 48 minus 8 is, length of a rectangle is 40, right? To find the breadth, we know that these both sides are a breadth of a rectangle. You can take any one of them because both are equal. So breadth of a rectangle is equal to 2y. 2 into what is the value of y? 8. So therefore B is equal to 2 into 8, 16. So breadth is 16 and length is 40. Now we will find area of rectangle and perimeter of a rectangle. So what is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So length is 40 and breadth is 16. 16 fours are 64 and this is 0, that means 640. And the unit of area is always in the square. So what is the unit? Square units. We don't know the unit is centimeter or meter. They have not mentioned here. So we can simply write square units. Here we got the area of a rectangle is equal to 640 square units. Now we will find perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B. So 2 in bracket, what is length? 40. Breadth, we have found 16. So 2 in bracket, 40 plus 16, what is the answer? 56. So 2 into 56, 2 6 are 12, 5 2 are 10 plus 1. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangle is 112 units. Thank you my dear friends for watching this lecture. You can ask any doubt if you want in comment section. Now here we have completed 2 questions of practice set 1.5. So in next lecture we will start with question number 3 and try out the solved examples given in your textbook. So it will make you revise these sums. Okay.